Hey guys, it's your boy William back in another video, and I'm with Kobe and with Joshua. A Nerf gunfight war. Look at him. Look at Joshua. He's starting to get loaded. Ain't you, Joshua?
Yeah.
See guys, look. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Look at him. He's already loaded. Show him your gun. Alright, there's his gun, guys.
I can change
Oh,
my
there's
gun.
Kobe. There's Kobe. Get some more. Kobe, say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Alright, Kobe. What does your gun look like? Kobe's gonna look like that. Alright. Guys, go. Keep on. See guys, this is gonna fight. Look. Look at Joshua. He's cooking them. Cooking. And he missed. He missed. He missed. Alright, Kobe starting to reload. And there was Joshua. Kobe! Joshua! Here we go! You see Joshua right here. He's still reloading, right Joshua?
Yeah.
Look how lot. He got a lot of guns, y'all. I'll show you guys Kobe. Alright guys. This is Kobe right there. You alright, Kobe?
Yeah.
You looking alright?
Yes,
You nervous a little bit? You're not nervous, alright. Alright, that's good. And there was Joshua right there. There we go. Did you hit him? Did you get it? Did you get him?
Yeah, I got headshot.
He got it. He got the headshot. Alright. This is really getting good. Juicy. Almost got him. Almost. Oh, got him. Again.
No, I didn't.
Oh, I guess he did it. And he missed. Did you get him? Oh, Kobe missed. Almost had it. I think Joshua is reloading. Getting some more guns. And there's one right here. There's a gun right here, y'all. Right here. Alright, show them this gun. Look at guys. This is big. Juicy. Big, juicy, green gun. Oh, snap. What happened? You forgot to set these up. Man, that gun's big, y'all. Oh, another one. Another big gun. And there goes Kobe getting it. He's getting it, guys. Got Joshua.
I'm not cheap, so I'm not gonna shoot you.
Yeah, he's not cheating. He can't cheat. And the reason why I'm talking like this, guys, is awesome. Yeah, in the bones, man. Oh, snap! Look at that gun, y'all. Woo! Snap. Oh, got him! Oh! What? What happened?
He shot the fence.
Who? Alright, come on. This is good, Juicy. Look at Joshua. Look at him. Look at that big gun. Guys, look.
I'm trying to shoot you.
Why'd you do that? Disqualified. I'm just playing. Hey, at least that was a good shot, though. That was a good shot.
No. I know I'm not cheap.
How long is this Nerf gun gonna last? Come on, guys, come on. There's one right here, if anybody wants it. Is that you, Joshua? One over there. Wow, this is bad. Ooh. I know, cause I'm a camera guy. See, this is Joshua's home. We're in his backyard. Kobe, he's getting fired up.
I know I'm not gonna shoot you.
He's not gonna shoot him, but he's getting ready. Joshua gotta get ready. He's almost done. He's almost done. He's almost done.
I'm not gonna shoot you. Don't. I'm not going to. Thank you. Really? I have more where that came from. Stop. I know I'm not gonna shoot you. Don't shoot me when I'm done. It's gonna hurt. I know I'm not gonna shoot you in the head.
Just don't. Yeah.
I don't shoot you on the head on purpose, but I might shoot you on the head on accident.
Oh God! Look at this. This is getting juicy.
Okay.
He's almost ready. He's almost ready. And
It takes 50 bullets.
50 bullets. Literally. Look how many bullets he got so far. Look, he has like a lot of bullets, y'all.
No, this is like an assault rifle pistol.
Big guns, y'all. The big gun. Literally. He has the big guns, y'all. Literally. For real.
Ready? No. If I'm ready, you have to go back there. I know. I'm just waiting until you say ready. When you say ready, I go back. Ready?
Alright. Here we go. Missed it. Oh, almost had it.
Time.
And he missed it. Over his head. And a miss. Sorry, Joshua.
Time again. My thing keeps jamming.
Come on, machine.
Hold on.
Woo! Dang. Got him. Got him in the chest. Hey, you can't throw that. Jesus, fried Kobe. He's frying him. He's frying him, guys.
Well,
He got you, Kobe. He got him. How does it feel to use both guns? You gonna use both guns or no? Alright. Interview. Let me interview you, Joshua. Joshua, how does it feel that you got Kobe alive?
okay.
Good. Alright, 2 of them. Manium.
I want to see how this bow works. Watch out. Shoot over there. Whoa! Now
Alright,
what
guys.
was that bow?
3 more minutes.
Okay,
Then I
what's the
have to stop the video.
You just pull it till you hear it click and then it'll go.
Kobe, what's your channel called?
Ransom Family Videos.
Ransom Family Videos. How many subscribers do you got?
21.
21 subscribers, okay. Make sure you guys show some love to Ransom Family Videos. This dude.
Don't forget to check out my video.
Oh yeah. Joshua, tell them what's it called. What is it called? What's it called?
My name used to be Ham Fam. Now we're changing it. I'm changing my channel to Reaper's Home. I play Fortnite. Go.
Yeah, guys, make sure to show some love to him too. Subscribe and like his videos too. Both of them, alright, guys? And make sure you like my video too.
Bro, this is my least get better.
Wait, did you hit the window? It looked like you hit the window. It hurt like you hit the window.
Oh!
Did you get him?
No, right in front of his face. Josh, how do you like it?
2 more minutes till the video's done, alright, guys?
Take this plastic straw. I wonder if it takes these.
Look at this.
These are way too big. Ow.
Just got him
You're cheap.
in the back.
You're the cheapest person I know.
Alright, guys. Make sure you guys like this video.
Do not use the red one.
Say peace, Josh.
It's not over yet.
I know, but my time's running out.
Okay, peace. Bye.
And Kobe says bye too.
And don't forget.
Make sure you like, subscribe. Subscribe to my 3 best dudes. Or my 2 best dudes. Alright, guys. Peace. Woo!